Hi, my name is Tyler, and I will be walking you through this usability test today. Due to the nature of this online user experience research, you will need to have the following: both a mobile device and desktop with internet capability, or one desktop with internet capability where you can watch an instructional video with guided instruction and closed captioning, a QR code for either mobile or desktop version of the website, another screen open you can view with the questions and switch back to the prototype mobile app website. It is important that after watching the instructional video, if you have any further questions, please feel free to contact stanley.tyler56@gmail.com, and they will get back to you as soon as possible. Only your responses will be recorded, nothing else. You will be provided with the following: a link or QR code to the instructional video, which you are watching now. You will also need to open up the link or QR code to the mobile app or website, and a link or QR code for the survey. For now, we will be watching the instructional video and have the mobile app or website up. As I guide you through these questions to give you a feel for how the usability test will be conducted from a remote location. Starting out with the landing page. As you can see with your questions in front of you in the survey, how likely are you to sign up based on the information you're provided? 2. How is the overall aesthetic appealing to the website? 3. Based on the website, how comfortable are you navigating to the next page? 4. How likely are you to contact customer service? 5. How likely are you to visit social media sites? Now that you've completed your first set of questions, you will hit the space bar and go to the next. The home page. Question 1. How is the aesthetic of the web page? 2. How comfortable do you feel signing up with Facebook, Apple, or Google? On to the next page. What stage of the website do you believe you're on? How comfortable do you feel with searching for trails? Three, is the trail information adequate? Next page. The scheduling page. Question 1. Imagine you have selected the trail and understand the cost. How likely are you willing to continue to check out? Next page. The confirmation page. Based on what you see, how comfortable do you feel with payment? 2. How comfortable do you feel a trail hopper driver will pick you up? Of course, imagine there will be times, dates in which you will be picked up and dropped off. Last, the summary page. Question 1. How likely are you to recommend Trailhopper? 2. How likely are you to answer the survey questions? That concludes our survey for the instructional video. Thank you for your time and patience. You will soon receive an Amazon gift card code shortly in an email.